you go. Control the shoulder.
Go again, Gold.
Head up. Work your tie up. Work your tie up. Drive the wrist. Circle. 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 There you go. Use it. Snap it. There you go. Look for the... Ah, he's there. There it is. Now, finish it. Up, up. Head up. Bring it up. There you go. Drive on him. Drive. Drive. Hips down and drive on it. There you go, reestablish. There you go. Lock it up. Take your time. Knee in the back. Back behind, back behind. All right. Reset, reset. Your tie up. Whizzer, cross face. Get your hips down. There you go. Wrist shot. Nope. There you go. Head to the side. Hop the shoulder. Step over the ankle. Step over the ankle. Come back and step over the ankle. Both legs. Both legs over the leg. Over that leg. There you go. Put it on your hip. Put it on your hip. Go. Hey. Get off your knees. Get off your knees. Get off your knees. Drive on him. Get off your knees. Drive on him. No pressure. Lift it. Trip. Trip. Let it go.
Come on.
There you go.
Come on, Matt.
Clear the wrist. There you go. Drag it through. Drag it through. There you go. Nice. There. Right there. Ah. You gotta move your feet. You gotta step to that foot. Step to that foot when you want that. No, other leg.
Come on, Matt.
Other leg. There you go. Snap. There it is. Nope. Watch yourself. Stance. Stance. Circle. Circle. Snap down. Snap down. There you go. Shot. Ah, it's there.
Come on, Matt.
Snap down, shoot. It's there. Right leg's there. Right leg's there. Right there. There you go. Whizzer hard. Whizzer hard. Hips down. Hips down. Whizzer. Whizzer. Pick up the leg. There you go. Dump.
Oh, there you go. Come on, Matt.
Head the side. Go ahead, head side cradle right there. Head the side. Drive on him. Get off your knees. Out to the side. Pressure. Out to the side. Get off your knees. There you go. Watch yourself. No. Break him down first. Yeah, break the hips down first. Break the hips down first.
It scared me to turn around. I was like, is he red?
Yeah, no. He's fourth Matt.
There you go. Now go to that side. Pick up the leg at the knee. Whizzer, whizzer. Pop him out of there. Whizzer. There you go. Get to the side. Keep to the side. You gotta go to the side.
You gotta keep moving off your knees.
2, 3, take down. 1.
Where's John? Oh, there's John. Right about Mike.
There you go. Whizzer, whizzer. Head. There you go. Hey, hey. There you go. Nice stop. Now set up your takedown. Let's go. Get your hips underneath you. Get your hips under you. I need somebody over there. I think mom called. Cross face. Cross face. Get your hips on that side.
Turn the corner within. No, that's not turning the corner. Get your head up. Post your hands and come up.
I think Dan has one more match to wait before he wrestles.
There you go. Pick up the leg. Near leg. Drive on him. Drive on him. There you go. Drive it. Drive it hard. There you go. Chest to chest. Get your leg. There you go. Right there. Lift the head. Lift his head.
Get your foot outside. Bend your knee. Bend your knee. Get to the side. Bend your knee. Bend your knee. Get to the side.
Look at the leg. Grab the leg.
One. Stay. One way.
Duck it. Right there.